Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz. In this lesson, I will tell you how to work out the relative molecular mass. The learning outcomes for this lesson are same, that is define relative molecular mass MR and calculate relative molecular mass and relative formula mass as the sum of the relative atomic masses. Let's start with the first example, and that is of H2. You see, here are two atoms of hydrogen. So we will multiply the number of hydrogen atoms by the AR of hydrogen. The number of hydrogen will be considered as AR, which is 1. We will get 2. So MR of hydrogen is 2. Next example is of ozone, O3. Here are 3 atoms of hydrogen, sorry, 3 atoms of oxygen, and the AR of oxygen is 16. So we will multiply 3 by 16. We will get 48. MR of O3 will be 48. In the above examples, we have worked out the MR for the molecules of elements. Now do this for the compounds. First example is of methane. This is methane. There is one atom of carbon. So we will first of all write the AR of carbon, which is 12 here, AR of hydrogen, which is 1. One atom of carbon, so we will multiply that number by the AR of carbon, which is 12. Then we'll multiply by 4 atoms of hydrogen by the AR of hydrogen, which is 1. So both of these values will be added. 12 plus 4, we will get 16. So finally, the MR of CH4 will be 16. Next example is of sodium hydroxide. Here you can see there's one atom each of sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. First of all, we'll write the AR of sodium, which is 23, AR of oxygen, which is 16, AR of hydrogen, which is 1. Now we'll multiply by 1 by 23, 1 by 16, 1 by 1. We'll get 23 plus 16 plus 1. The final answer will be 40. So MR of sodium hydroxide will be 40. Can you work out the MR of H2SO4? This is sulfuric acid. Let's see how you got this. First of all, we'll write the AR of each of these atoms. AR of hydrogen, which is 1. AR of sulfur, which is 32. AR of oxygen, which is 16. Now we'll multiply by 2 by 1. 1 by 32. 4 by 16. We will get 2 plus 32 plus 64. If you will add these, you will get 98. Now let's work out the MR of CuSO4 5H2O. Now what we have to do in this example, we have to work out the MR of CuSO4 and 5H2O separately, then add these values. AR of Cu, S, O, and H. Cu is 64, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1. Let's work out the MR of CuSO4 first. You can see here we have one atom of Cu. So we'll multiply 1 by 64. One atom of sulfur. So we'll multiply by 1 by 32. 4 atoms of oxygen will multiply by 16. We will get 64 plus 32 plus 64. If you add these, what you will get? 4 plus 2 plus 4 will get 10. 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, 160. So MR of CuSO4 will be 160. What about the MR of 5H2O? We'll write 5 outside this big bracket. Inside we have 2 atoms of hydrogen, multiply by 1. We have 1 atom of oxygen, multiply by 16. Get 5 multiply by 18. It will become 90. Now add 160 plus 90. We'll get 250. So MR of CuSO4 dot 5 H2O will be 250. Thanks for watching. Click like and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel.